like to be remembered. You know, probably doesn't even matter anyway because they're going to remember me how they want to remember me anyway.
They had a vision for a pop artist.
They wanted to present her as the princess.
I did not go into the studio wanting to make a pop album.
She was closer to her dad.
But Whitney had the career that her mother always wanted.
So I go.
Whitney was from the hood.
Bobby was street. They just had a chemistry that worked for them.
I'll think of you.
Robin loved her, cared for her, was a friend to her.
The way.
Success doesn't change you. Fame does.
Whitney was at the top of the charts. She had 7 consecutive #1 records. She was everywhere.
Her favorite saying was, "Can I be me?" I have made all these people happy.
Thank you so much.
And I still can't be me. Can I be me?
Whitney Houston actually died from a broken heart.
You gotta know who you are before you step into this business. You'll probably wind up being somebody that you don't even like.
If she were an artist today, she probably would still be here.